Unpacking the Phrase Down, a few English idioms explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning behind the English phrase, down a few. If you've heard this phrase before and found yourself puzzled, you're not alone. Phrases like this can be the keys to sounding more like a native speaker. So let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, down a few, is an informal way to indicate that someone has consumed a few drinks or that something has been reduced by a small amount. Context is everything with this phrase, as the meaning can change depending on the situation. For example, he's down a few beers and is starting to feel it. The team is down a few points, but they can still win. In the first example, it's about consumption, usually alcohol. In the second, it's about a score difference in a game. Now, let's see how to properly use down a few in different contexts. Social context. When talking about social drinking, down a few might imply a casual drinking situation. It's not about getting drunk, but rather enjoying a few drinks. After work, we went to the pub and down a few. It was a great way to relax. Competitive context. In sports or games, down a few is about the score. It suggests being slightly behind but not out of the game. Despite being down a few points at halftime, the team was optimistic about the second half. Market context. In finance or shopping, this phrase could refer to prices or value. With the stock market down a few points, investors are acting cautiously. Understanding the nuances of down a few can help you use it more naturally. Not too many. A few usually means more than two but less than several. So, when someone says they're down a few, they're implying a moderate amount. Tone and body language. This phrase is often said with a casual tone, and sometimes with a shrug if it's about a non-serious situation, like being behind in a game. Let's practice with some sentences. Repeat after me and try to use the phrase in your own sentences as well. After the stock dip, my portfolio is down a few percentage points. She's down a few cups of coffee and now can't sit still. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's a wrap on the phrase, down a few. It's a handy expression to describe a slight reduction or consumption in a light-hearted way. Try using it next time you're discussing sports, social outings, or even the stock market. I hope this video has helped clarify the phrase for you. Keep practicing, and you'll sound like a native in no time. See you in the next video.